This is Return to Tokyo. This lady in the Jamaican colors is the two-time defending champion for the women's 200 meters at the World Championship. If she wins the title on day 7 of competition, she will become only the second woman to win 3 consecutive 200-meter titles at the World Champs, joining the legendary American Allyson Felix, who did so in 2005, 2007, and 2009. There's your schedule once again for day 7, and the women's 200 will bring the curtain down at 8:22 in the morning, Jamaica time. Shericka Jackson will run out of lane 7. And interestingly, you look at the starting list here. Antonique Strawn will be in lane 1. She had some hamstring issues in the semis. Mackenzie Long in 2, Brittany Brown in 3, Mary Jose Talu Smith in 4, Amy Hunt in 5, Melissa Jefferson Wooden, the 100-meter champion, in lane 6. She has gone 21:84 already this season. Shericka Jackson, lane 7, the defending champion. 2 years ago, she was in 21.41 seconds form. Went very close to the world record of 21:34. Battle in lane 8, and Dina Asher-Smith, the 2019 champion, representing Great Britain in lane 9. Warren, I come back to you again now. This women's 200 to close the show on day 7. Shericka Jackson aiming to add to her illustrious medal tally, but as I keep saying, it's clear to all of us she's not in the shape of 2 years ago, and it was only in the semis earlier today she did her first sub-22 of the season when she recorded 21:99. Warren, can she successfully defend this title?
I think Shericka is running into form. Melissa Jefferson looks good. That 10.6 was superb. She's been running good 100 and 200 this season, and she's been improving ever so rapidly on her 200. But I think Shericka Jackson is hungry for this three-peat. It will be tough for her, being the form that Melissa is in. But if she gets it right, use some willpower, some determination, I think she can pull one off her. But for now, based on what's out there, I have to give it to Melissa, to Shericka, and I have a battle coming for the third.
Yeah, we have just a few minutes remaining. Daniel, quickly, what are you looking at?
I'm looking for Shericka to defend the title. I know I would have wanted to see a stronger 100. Both times she went on to win her titles. She ran 21.4 on the back end of a 10.70 in 100. So we have 10.88 from her. I'm hoping that through experience, she can pull it off.
Javoy?
Yeah, I agree, because I have her to win the 200 as well, and with that 10.8 speed right now, and she's a stronger 200 runner, so I think at the end of coming off the curve, actually, she should be stronger going home, and the race is going to be run between she and Melissa. So, but I give Shericka Jackson the win.
You think she can go better? Well, they will have to go better than they did in the semi, faster.
Yeah, definitely. I have her to run 21:73 to win.
21:73?
Yeah.
How did you work that out?
Well, seeing that she's a stronger 200 runner, if you should do the math, 10.8 and 10.8, you're going to get 21.6. But, you know, fatigue and everything. So I just trust that her training was going well and she can come out with 21.7.
Yeah, Melissa Jefferson, as you mentioned, Warren, running 10.61 in September. That is no mean feat. That is absolutely something to write about. And she looks sparkling at the moment. But Shericka Jackson, as I said, you can see her trying to work her way, round her way into form to peak at the right time.
Yeah, it's a race against time. 1 round to go. Melissa, we're hoping and praying. I know we want the goal, but we're hoping and praying that Shericka, this last round can be the round that puts her into the shape of she hasn't been in a few years. But Melissa Jefferson looks good. That 10.1, that 10.6, 10.1. Wow, that 10.6 has really shown us that she can go fast. And as Javon said, it'll be a race down to the line, and I think the race will be won in the last 20 meters.